Hello students, myself Professor Monali Mahajan from Computer Engineering Department, KK1 Institute of Engineering Education and Research, Nashik. Today we will see implementation of basic gates like AND gate, OR gate and full adder using one of the simulator logic sim. So to implement circuit or implement gates using logic sim, you have to go through this URL. Now we will see how to implement the gates and full adder using logic sim. So first go to the browser and then you can type the URL. After that you will get the logic sim manual, model creation, etc. Then go to the logic simulator. Here you can download the logic simulator from this link and then you can run the jar file. So I have downloaded the jar file and now I will show you. So in the downloads you can have the logic sim, you can extract. So this is downloadable and I have extracted here, and then you can go to the folder logic sim and then you can run the jar file. After running the jar file you will get this window, that is here you can implement the different circuits. So suppose I have to implement AND gate, so I will select AND gate and I will put AND gate here. Now how to observe the output, that is output is observed using the LED. So I will take LED and mount over here, and then I will take the switches. 2 input AND gate this is, therefore 2 switch I will take. Now I will connect switch to the AND gate input. Again second switch I will connect it to the AND gate input, okay, and output I have to connect to the LED. Now after going this, you have to click on simulate to run this circuit. Here I can give 1 and 0. I can press the simulate. Again I can give here input as 1. Similar here whatever I have given I can simulate. Now I can give 1 here. So you can observe for 1 output is 1 because which gate we have selected here, AND gate. Okay. Similarly you can have OR gate also, that is OR gate. Then I can take the switches, switch 1, switch 2 and I can take the LED. Okay. Again I will connect it here, that is 2 input OR gate. Therefore here again I can connect, okay, and output I will connect it to the LED. I can give here 1 0. You can observe here 1 0 is 1 1 also 1. So this is the way how you can implement the different gates. OR gate, NOR gate also you can take similar in a similar manner you can implement the other gates also. Now I can take the new file and I will show you the full adder. So here different options are available, that is flip-flops are available. You can give here flip-flop input and other, that is you can observe the output. Again LCD displays are available and full adder and various segment displays are available. Now we will see a full adder that is available here. So full adder, as we all know, full adder is having how many inputs? 3 inputs. Therefore 1, 2 and 3 switches I will take. And it is having 2 outputs, that is one is for sum and one is for carry. Therefore 2 LEDs I will take. Now I will connect inputs to the adder, that is okay. Another input I will connect and 2 outputs are sum and carry. So first LED is for sum, second LED is for carry. Now if you can observe, I have already pressed the simulate. So 1 0 0. The inputs are 1 0 0. Therefore sum is 1, carry is 0. I will make sum 0. One of the input 0. So both are 0. Again I will make 1. Therefore sum 1, carry 0. 1 plus 1, sum 0 and carry 1. I will make all input as 1. Therefore for all the ones for full adder, sum is 1 and carry is 1. Okay, so this is the way how you can implement the different gates and different circuits using logic sim simulator. You can implement the full adder using different gates like XOR, whatever is the expression that we have obtained, A XOR B XOR C using XOR gate. So that is that also you can implement. I have just shown demonstration of how to use the logic sim. Thank you.